All right, this is an example from our curriculum assessment from the district that our students took in the second semester. I think it was in February. Again, we have your uh, detailed instructions to help the students fill out their student error analysis that our district encourages all teachers to have students fill out. Again, this is a great way to give the kids the support that they need without having to take up class time to do it. This first question you can see has their different mistakes that they would make from incorrect answers. And these are more of the reminders. And then we have more tier two, tier three, more detailed supports on how to solve the problem correctly. This next question has a great example of positive reinforcement if they get the answer correct. Again, we have some tier one supports where it's just general reminders and remembers for them. Then we have some more tier two supports where it's slightly more specific without giving them the answer. Then we have the tier three where it's more detailed and goes through step by step how to solve the problem. Here again on this problem, right, we have the simple mistakes, tier one, remembers, reminds, refreshers, your positive reinforcement, and then step by step directions basically on how to solve the problem. Again, students have access to this once they submit their answers. So as you can see, this particular assessment, I exclusively use the equation editor and text to solve the problems and or give feedback to the students. I didn't have an opportunity to use any photos of handwritten work or videos of me working think alouds on this one. But it gives you a good idea of what it looks like, where you can see how you have, again, the different tiered supports, mistakes, common misconceptions, as well as sometimes just reminding them of not using UPS check. That's our understand, plan, solve, and check your answer, a problem solving process that we use as a, a team. So you can pause and read through this screen a little bit slower if you want to go back and spend a little bit more time seeing how we offer different supports for each one of these questions.